Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you everything that I've made in the month of January 2022. So we are starting this year in the right way. We are starting it with a lot of projects within a month. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually some of the clips I am going to show you like actual clips of me wearing the product that I am talking about. Some of them I have in here and some I will show you by inserting pics on my screen because I don't have them here because I shipped them off. So yeah, this was just some extra info that I wanted to tell you before we get started. Now let's get started for real. Okay, so the first thing that I made in January 2022, I was gonna say 2021, it was a blue and green checkered bucket hat. Yes, those hats are not leaving, they are staying even in 2022. I've been making so many of those and it was the first project that I actually completed in 2022. The second thing that I made in January 2022 was a very dear project to me, which is the Color Splash bucket hat, which I made as a custom order, but actually it got so much support on Instagram. It got almost 5,000 likes, which is more than I've got followers on Instagram, and that is crazy. And I love the support, and actually it gave me, even though it was a custom order, it gave me an idea for a collection which I am planning to make. I hope I will have the time to make it and it will be so beautiful. It would be different color splash bucket hats, but I'm not telling you more about it because you will see when they drop and you can buy them in your favorite colors. The third thing that I made in January was a Smiley checkered bucket hat, which is one of my best sellers in my business. It was really cute and everyone is asking for that. I actually made so many of those in January and I have to make a lot more in February, so it is going well with those hats. And I actually just want to thank the first person who ordered that, because she wanted a checkered bucket hat and then she wanted to add a smiley out of nowhere and everyone loved that. So the fourth thing that I made in January was just another smiley checkered bucket hat. I'm telling y'all, everyone is loving these hats and I do too. They are super cute and I love that hat so much. So the fifth thing that I made in January was a cherry bucket hat, like the one that I made before in beige, but this one was black and it was for a customer from Australia who actually ordered 3 hats and 1 balaclava, and it was such a beautiful order and it was very creative. She ordered it for her boyfriend's birthday and it was really cute. So this was just one of the items that I did not think of making before and it turned out to be so beautiful. The sixth thing that I made in January was a black fluffy bucket hat, and this was for the same customer from Australia, which I absolutely loved working with. She is so nice and she told me all her ideas and she hoped that I could make them come true, and I actually could, and I'm so happy about that. She was really happy with her order because it actually arrived like last week. So yeah, that was a nice experience. The seventh project that I completed in January was a balaclava with horns that you probably have seen before. It was so cool and I was actually scared of making it because like I had never made like horns or ears or anything to stick to my hats and balaclavas, and that one was kind of new for me, but I absolutely loved the outcome and the customer did too. It was pretty challenging, but it was beautiful. So this next item will be the 8th one, and it's a bucket hat with horns. So I don't know why I got like 2 orders that wanted me to make horns for them, but I did, and I made them first the balaclava, then the bucket hat. It was kind of easier since I got used to making horns for the balaclava, but the horns were different and I had to adjust again, but the result was beautiful and the customer loved it. So the 9th project that I completed in January was a white and red checkered bucket hat, which I actually got here. It has not been shipped yet, so I have it here with me and I'm probably gonna ship it tomorrow. And the customer absolutely loved it by the pics that she saw, and I hope that she is going to love it while wearing it too when it gets shipped to her house and stuff. So yeah. So the 10th project for this month is the beige and pink checkered bucket hat, which I love so much. I made this for the checkered bucket hat tutorials, which you guys should check out. And it is so pretty. It got the nicest colors. I don't want to put it on, I don't want to mess up my hair, but it is really pretty. I did not realize that I made this many items in January, but yeah, I did. This was the 10th one. The 11th project that I completed this month was this cute little square that I'm going to attach to a tote bag. I have not done that yet, and I will probably do it today. It's very cute. I experimented with colors and with these trees and a cloud that I put on top of it. It's really cute. Number 12 is this Smiley bucket hat that I got here, and it was ordered by a customer who wanted 2 matching bucket hats for her and her boyfriend, and her choice was this bucket hat. She actually ordered 3 more hats after this. She wanted to just add hats to her order, so I'm currently working on those ones, and they're all so cute. So number 13 is another Smiley bucket hat, which is the same as this one. They're completely like identical, and they will go to the same person because, as I just said, the customer wanted matching hats for her and her boyfriend, and here are the matching hats. Number 14, and actually the last thing that I completed in January, was this cute frog bucket hat, which was ordered by the customer who ordered the 2 matching Smiley bucket hats. It is so cute. I had never ever made a frog hat before. This was very new to me, especially the eyes and stuff, but it was really cute. The result was actually so beautiful, and I will include the link to the tutorial that I used for this beautiful frog hat so y'all can make it too. So before I close off this video, I really want to tell you something. I actually want to show you something. I just got these beautiful labels that I ordered for my business, and it's super exciting to be working this way now. I can add labels to my products and they will look so much more professional. There are 1,000 labels in here. It is crazy, and I actually couldn't wait to get them in the mail, and they came yesterday, and I was so excited to just see them and post them everywhere. It is so exciting to me as a small business owner to finally have my labels so I can actually put them on my products and say, hey, that's Yarny Handmade, to anyone that asks me where I buy my stuff maybe, or to anyone that asks my customers, they can just say, hey, look at the label. Actually, this one customer, once, like it was a few weeks before, she told me, hey, can you add labels to your products, because I want to show my friends where I got my stuff when they asked me, where do you get your hats? She actually ordered like 3 hats from Yarny Handmade. So I said that has been on my bucket list for so long, and I am going to order labels. And yesterday when I posted the labels, she was so happy about it. So I really can't wait for her to order again so she can have a product with my label on it. This is what the labels look like. I really love them, and I would probably attach it like right here. I've seen this designer on Instagram that attaches her labels here on the hats, and I thought it would look really cool for me to do the same. I just realized that it's the wrong way. Okay, so yeah, it was upside down, so this would look pretty cool with all my products. So I'm really excited to just sew these things on my products. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and give us a follow on our Instagram pages. Bye!